If a child's heart produces an unnatural sound when pumping, the condition is called a heart murmur. Although initially a terrifying diagnosis, its causes are usually benign and more prevalent than most would realize.
Heart murmurs are very common. Most of them are benign. Up till 2/3 or 70% of children can have a heart murmur at one time or another in their life, from newborn, day one, to any age.
Even if the child has a pathological murmur or a small hole inside the heart, the outcomes are surprisingly positive.
Hole in the heart sounds absolutely quite scary. There are ways to deal with that easily with medications. Buy some time, let it close itself. Half of these holes close spontaneously on their own. Almost 50%. You treat accordingly, as I said, medications or surgical repair.
And when you're dealing with your child's heart, you want pediatricians you can trust.
In this community, in this region, to help our children, our goal is to provide the best care, timely care, safe care with great outcomes. So that's the reason we're here, and we're building this together and serving the community and making lives better.
For the WVU Medicine Health Report, I'm Hoppy Kercheval.